Yeah, I remember. I don't remember the exact same place, but I remember he was around this area. My brother died. My brother died. The blood. My brother, the one I'm in his house right now, his dog passed away. Was it the day before yesterday? And he cried. I felt him. Like he was like, only if he knew. But that was the last time seeing his dog. He loved that doggy. CJ, what you doing, CJ? CJ. Guys, guess what's up? Baby. What's up, guys? I'm coming, love. Oh, you was up for a long time then. Yeah, you told me they went back home. Going out there ask for the family. Come here, baby. Hold up, guys. Hold up. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, phone just fell. Sorry, baby. You didn't see mommy? You didn't see mommy? You didn't see mommy? Cousin's here. Cousin Julia's here. Julia? Yeah. See, cousin here. Sorry. I don't know what she was crying for. Hmm? She goes, her eyes are open. Baby girl is here. Say hey, Uncle Glenn. She's like, I don't see him. You don't see him? He's here. He's here, baby girl. Look at that. This one loved me. That's CJ. He in love with me. And 16. 14, 16. Nope. You don't watch this, Julia? Julia.
Yes, wash your hand.
You gonna wash your hand? Did you wash your hand? You wash your hand, Mama? I mean, I'm so used to call her Mama. Did you wash your hand? CJ. I know you hear me. CJ. Did you wash your hand? He did not wash his hand. See, I told you he's here. See, hey, look at her getting her pacifier. Baby, I got work to do. Yes, CJ. Look, he wants to sit on my lap too. Told you. Look. CJ, you're a big boy. You're a big boy, CJ. I told you. Look how she's looking at him. You guys share me, Mama. I'm about to see if I can feed her some mac and cheese. Get down real quick, please. Go get the food for me. Go get the mac and cheese. CJ, go get the food. Go get baby food. Mac and cheese, go get it for me, please. Go get it, please. CJ, go get it. CJ, get down. Go get baby food. Baby food, please. CJ, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, guys. Good evening. I don't know where you're watching from. Oh, you just kissed my shoulder. Hold up, CJ. CJ, go get this for me. Please. Thank you. No, that one. This one on the floor. CJ, that one. Julia, get the bib. Julia, get the bib for me, please. Baby thing to eat. Right there, get it for me. It's purple. Thank you. Oh, wait, how do you say